Wind is responsible for billions of dollars in losses each year, from tornadoes and hurricanes to straight-line winds. IBHS is the only lab in the world that can test full-scale buildings in highly realistic windstorms using our wall of 105 fans to produce wind speeds of up to 130 miles per hour. Using this technology, we test common roof coverings like asphalt shingles to reveal their weaknesses during high winds, garage doors to highlight their role in keeping the wind out of a home, and we analyze wind-driven rain and how water intrusion into a home becomes a damage amplifier. Research in our test chamber has informed our fortified home standard, demonstrating the importance of keeping the roof on, roof decks sealed to keep water out, and even how to reinforce your whole home against the forces of wind. Our goal in all of this is to inform the insurance and construction industries on how to mitigate common vulnerabilities, communicate weaknesses in products and test standards to manufacturers, and to empower homeowners with the information they need to withstand the hazards of severe weather.